Okay, so when we were in Odaiba, we found a machine that could do Wagyu beef. And when we paid money for the Wagyu beef, it came out cold. And in hindsight, this would have been the only way it would have come out cold. Because how would a steak be seared inside a vending machine in real time? That's impossible. We have to eat the steak somehow. In order to do this, we've gone some ramen. We're going to cook the steak into microwave tubs. I know. It's sad. And I'm going to put the microwaved beef into the ramen so we don't feel so sad. That's all, folks. We are doing
hotel cooking.
Or potentially work of the devil.
Chill the lid.
By microwaving Wagyu beef. So far, it looks like it's kind of working. I think that's cooked.
Yeah,
I think that's
cooked.
cooked.
I'm gonna get a new pair of chopsticks.
Got the noodles prepped. There we go. Alright, so beef is in here. It's not looking too shabby, but let's see how it tastes. So it's not bad so far. Tastes like a tender, thick cut of hot pot. Very expensive hot pot, but hot pot nonetheless. How are you finding it?
It's a very fatty piece of meat. Delicious.